Did you just work hard in college and you were so thrilled to graduate, only to now be looking for that dream job? I'm Jayne Latz, also known as the communication trainer, and we have helped hundreds of young professionals to land those dream jobs and to master those interviews. So are you ready for a few valuable tips? Today's session will be on mastering communication skills to land your dream job and excel once you're in it. Whether you are preparing for interviews or you want to make a strong impact at your new workplace, effective communication skills are key. Today, I'm going to cover essential skills to help you communicate with clarity, confidence, and purpose. So let's get started. When it comes to job interviews, remember, it's about clarity and connection. I know you might be nervous. There's high stakes. There might be multiple interviewers. But with these techniques, you will be able to compose yourself, breathe, and respond in a clear and confident way. Your goal is to show the interviewer who you are, what you bring to the table, and why you are the right fit for the role. So let's break this down. Before the interview, I want you to think about the story that you want to tell. Highlight experiences that showcase your skills, your resilience, and your growth. Choose 2 to 3 key achievements or challenges that demonstrate your strengths. This story will help the interviewer see beyond your resume. To help you answer some of those behavioral questions, we use the STAR method, which I'll explain in a minute. Many interviewers are going to ask you behavioral questions. To answer them effectively, think STAR: situation, task, action, result. You're going to describe the context that is needed, the steps you took, and the outcome. This shows not just what you did, but how you think. Body language can be even more important than your actual words. I want you to think about your eye contact and your posture. Maintaining eye contact in person or on the virtual platform will convey confidence and engagement. Sit up straight, lean slightly forward, and of course use natural hand gestures to emphasize key points. Avoid crossing your arms. We don't want you to appear closed off. Speak at a steady pace and with a confident tone. If you tend to rush when nervous, practice slowing down. I have many videos on how to empower your delivery with the power of the pause. Pausing will add impact to your message. Interviews are 2 ways. So asking questions will show that you're interested in the role and will help you learn if it's the right fit for you. So consider questions like, what qualities do you see in your most successful employees? What does success look like in this role after 6 months? These questions will demonstrate your interest in growth and alignment with the company's goals. Once you're in the role, clear communication is essential for building trust and showing professionalism. So here are a few foundational skills to bring with you into the job. Remember, active listening. Communication is a two-way street. It's not just about talking, it's about listening. Show you're engaged by nodding, paraphrasing key points, and asking clarifying questions. This demonstrates respect and helps you understand the full scope of your tasks. Always think about being concise. Whether you are updating your manager, speaking in a meeting, or speaking with prospects, aim for clarity and brevity. Start with the most important point and back it up with concise details. Think in terms of bullet points. Strong workplace relationships can be a career asset, and it's important to connect effectively with your colleagues and your supervisors. Show appreciation, a simple thank you. When a colleague helps you, acknowledge their support. Over time, small gestures like this will build goodwill and make collaboration smoother. Tailor your communication to your audience. When speaking to supervisors, focus on solutions and outcomes. With peers or reports, ensure instructions are clear and encourage open dialogue. And don't forget the importance of feedback. Both receiving and giving are both incredibly important. Frame your feedback in a way that encourages positive change. To wrap up, remember that great communication starts with preparation and genuine interest in connecting with others. So a quick recap: tell your story with confidence. Master body language to make a strong impression. Stay curious and ask thoughtful questions. Listen actively to build trust. Seek and offer constructive feedback for continued growth. And with these skills, you will be ready to both secure a great role and to excel within it. If you found these points valuable, please be sure to like or comment. I especially want to hear which points resonated best with you. And I, of course, want to hear about your success in the interview process. I'm Jayne Latz. Thank you for joining this session. And I want to wish you the best of luck on a great professional journey. Thank you.